Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use old-school animation in Roblox. First, open Roblox Studio and create a new base plate. Navigate to the Model tab and click on Rig Builder. Select R6 as your character type. This is crucial for achieving that classic, blocky animation style. R6 avatars have 6 distinct body parts, making them ideal for the rigid, retro movements we're aiming for. Ensure your game settings are also configured to use R6 avatars for players. Now that you have an R6 character, open the animation editor from the Avatar tab. Select your rig and begin creating keyframes. Focus on posing each limb individually, aiming for distinct, almost robotic movements rather than smooth, fluid transitions. Consider holding poses for a few frames, perhaps 1/4 of a second, to emphasize the classic feel. Remember, less is often more when replicating older animation styles. Experiment with different poses to capture that nostalgic charm. Once your animation is complete, save it and export it to Roblox, obtaining a unique animation ID. Next, you'll need to write a simple script to load and play your animation. Insert an animation instance into your character or a relevant part, setting its animation ID property to your exported ID. Then, use an animator object, typically found within the character's humanoid, to load and play the animation. You can trigger these animations through various in-game events, like character movement or tool activation. To truly capture the old-school aesthetic, focus on simple, exaggerated movements. Avoid complex joint rotations. Instead, think about whole limb movements. Consider adding classic sound effects, like simple boings or clicks, to complement your animations. Test your animations frequently in-game to ensure they look and feel right. Pay attention to the timing and pacing. Sometimes a slightly slower or faster animation can make a big difference. Iteration is key to perfecting that authentic retro vibe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.